Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're just starting out with calculus, it can feel like a whole new language. So in this video, we're going to break down 5 essential keywords that you need to know to feel comfortable and confident with calculus. Let's get started. Our first keyword is function. Functions are just the rules that take an input and gives an output. Think of a function as a vending machine, which you put in a choice, the machine processes it, and come out a snack, which is your output. In calculus, functions are everywhere. We use them to understand the change in patterns, and they're the starting point for almost everything we do, like finding a limit or taking a derivative. Our next keyword is continuity. A function is continuous if you can draw it without lifting your pen. Continuity is key in calculus because it tells us if your function behaves smoothly or if it has sudden jump or gap in your function. Next up, we have limit. This one is all about what happens when you get closer and closer to a specific point. Limit help us understand what value is your function approaching to, even if it actually never goes there. So imagine you're driving on the road. There is a speed limit. You're driving closer and closer to that speed limit. But technically, you should not reach or go above and beyond that speed limit. And that is similar for the concept of limit in calculus. You're getting closer and closer to a specific point, but you should not reach it. And the next keyword is derivative. This one is very important in calculus. So in simple terms, a derivative describes the rate of change of something. For example, if you're driving, your speed is the derivative of your position at any given time. So a large derivative means the rate of change is very large, and the small derivative means the rate of change is very slow. In other words, derivative is the slope of your function. In calculus, we're going to learn all sorts of methods to calculate derivative for many different types of functions. Okay, finally we have the term integral or integration. So in simple ways, integration helps us to find accumulation of something. So a very good example here is it helps us find an area under a curve. So how do we do that? Well, we can break the area down into many rectangles. And we know how to calculate the area of each of those rectangles. Then we sum them up to get the area under the curve. So that idea of summing up the small quantities of something or adding those small quantities up is the main point for taking an integral. And also, derivative and integral are the opposite operation of each other, just like plus and minus. I hope this video have made those calculus concepts more clear for you, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. And thanks for watching, and see you next time.